related to this topic. So I will follow some of them in a short summary of all the questions, and after the questions I will explain some details that I think you need to hear again, because Ivan and I spoke with you many times about DSP, but I want to summarize everything one more time just to be on the same page with everybody. So I will start with the questions. Let me open my notes. I will not address the questions one by one because some of them are asked 2 or 3 times. So I just follow my notes related to the questions. And if you think that I missed something, please add your question or comment in the chat, and we'll check the chat and the comments later in our conversation. Okay. Are there regular conversions, monthly or quarterly, for the merchant in stage 2? As everybody wants, merchant will convert more, continue to support the conversion. So at the end of this Q4 of this year, merchants will receive the usual conversion. So at the end of January, the company will check volume of the merchant, the volume that was generated in last 3 months of the year. These are October, November, and December. And based on the volume in these months, the merchants will distribute the usual conversion. I hope that this will benefit the merchant in a proper way, and they will continue to be active as usual, and they see company as a good partner that provides to them. The next big topic is selling to members or selling to guest buyers. And what is the difference if a merchant sells to member instead of a guest buyer? I want to be very clear about this. The DSP feature is not aiming to give benefits to the guest buyer instead of the members. So the most important thing in the ecosystem are the members. So they will continue using DealShaker and everything related to the deals as usual. DSP opened the opportunity for guest buyers who are not part of the ecosystem to purchase from DealShaker, which is a great benefit for the merchants because it opens the door to the entire world. From now on, our merchants can sell to globally, not only to our members, but to all buyers around the globe. The idea of DSP is to make this possible. And I would like to ask you to make this very clear to all the merchants. So they should continue selling in DealShaker as usual and benefit from the global buyers. Next topic. Well, there is one tricky topic, multi-accounts and DSP deposits. And the question is, can OES be swapped from other accounts if the account of the merchant lacking balance? This is not possible. Swap is direct with merchant's wallet in the account and the deposit that was made by the merchant. So if there is no balance in this merchant account, the merchant is not participating in the swap. I want to add something related to the deposits and the limitation for 5 deposits. Just to ensure that you understand, this is not yearly limitation. It's a limitation of active deposit. This means that the merchant can open up to 5 deposits in the DSP. And when one of these deposits is used for swapping, he can open another one. The goal of this is to limit the open contract, because if we have more deposits, it makes swapping more difficult. So this is just a technical limitation. You can consider this as a technical limitation, but it's not bothering the merchants in any way, because they can make new deposit,